A winter skincare routine is essential to keep your skin healthy and hydrated during the cold and dry winter months. The low humidity and harsh weather conditions can lead to dryness, flakiness, and irritation. Here's a basic winter skincare routine to help you maintain soft and nourished skin. Start with a gentle, hydrating cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Avoid harsh, foaming cleansers that can be too drying in the winter. Use a mild exfoliant to get rid of dead skin cells and allow better absorption of your skincare products. Be careful not to over-exfoliate, as it can exacerbate dryness. Apply a hydrating and alcohol-free toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prepare it for the next steps in your routine. Choose a hydrating and nourishing serum with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or glycerin. These ingredients help lock in moisture and repair your skin's barrier. Opt for a thicker, cream-based moisturizer that provides long-lasting hydration. Look for products containing shea butter, jojoba oil, or squalane. If you have oily skin, you can still use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Don't forget to wear sunscreen, even in the winter. UV rays can still damage your skin, especially when reflecting off snow. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher sunscreen to protect your skin. Lip care. Use a lip balm. Invest in a good quality lip balm with moisturizing ingredients like beeswax, shea butter, coconut oil, or cocoa butter. Apply it regularly to keep your lips moisturized. You can even apply it before bed to prevent overnight drying. Avoid licking your lips. Saliva can actually dry out your lips, so try to resist the urge to lick them when they feel dry. It might provide temporary relief, but it can make the problem worse. Protect your lips when going outside in cold and windy weather. Cover your lips with a scarf or a high collar to shield them from the harsh elements. Exfoliate gently if your lips have dry, flaky skin. You can gently exfoliate them to remove dead skin cells. Use a soft toothbrush or a homemade sugar scrub. Mix sugar with a bit of honey or olive oil to rub your lips in a circular motion. Be gentle, and don't overdo it. Once a week should be soft. Avoid harsh products. Some lip products, like long-wear lipsticks and matte lipsticks, can be drying. Consider using more hydrating and natural lip products during the winter. Avoid harsh elements. Exposure to extreme cold, wind, and sun can be tough on your lips. Try to minimize your time in such conditions, and if you must be out, use a lip balm with sun protection SPF. Hair care. Winter can be harsh on your hair, as the cold, dry air can lead to issues like frizz, breakage, and dryness. Moisturize. Hydration is key during winter. Use a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner to combat dryness. Look for products with ingredients like shea butter, argan oil, or glycerin. Reduce washing. Try to wash your hair less frequently. Overwashing can strip your hair of natural oils, making it even drier. Aim for 2 to 3 times a week or as needed. Warm water. Use lukewarm water when washing your hair. Hot water can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Deep conditioning. Use a deep conditioning treatment once a week to provide extra moisture. You can also make your own DIY hair mask using ingredients like coconut oil, honey, or avocado. Protect from the elements. When going outside, cover your hair with a hat or scarf to protect it from the cold wind and dry air. This can help prevent damage and frizz. Gentle styling. Be gentle when brushing and styling your hair. Use a wide tooth comb or a brush with soft bristles to prevent breakage. Protect your hair while sleeping. Use a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent your hair from becoming frizzy. Choose the right products. Opt for hair care products that are specifically designed for your hair type. Look for sulfate-free and alcohol-free options, as these can be less drying. Avoid overprocessing. Try to limit chemical treatments like coloring and perms during the winter, as they can be particularly damaging when your hair is already exposed to the elements. Avoid heat styling. Minimize the use of heated styling tools like straighteners and curling irons, as they can further damage your hair. If you must use them, use a heat protectant spray. By following these hair care tips, you can help keep your hair healthy and beautiful throughout the winter season.